Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Poly.Ai. Just follow me step by step. We will go to settings. Here on this page we will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you have two choices. You can write the name of this application of Poly.Ai here, or you can just follow the alphabet of P here to find the application of Poly.Ai. As you see here on this page of app info, we will go to first stop, then you can click on OK here. After that we will go to storage, then you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem.